Good day to all of you. Today we shall study quantitative aptitude in that arithmetic ability section, the topic being percentage. Such questions we can expect in quantitative aptitude test of every competitive exams. First we shall see to some of the important facts and formulae. So here percentage in that topic 1% means 1 by 100. So it is 1 part in 100. 2% means 2 part in 100. Okay. So 1% means 1 by 100. Similarly 2% means 2 parts in 100, that we write it as 2 by 100. Similarly 25% means 25 by 100. If you simplify this, 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 25 by 100 is same as 1 by 4. So 25% means 25 in 100, 25 by 100. If you simplify it is 1 by 4. So 1 if you divide by 4 we will get as 0.25. So 25% is equal to 1 by 4, or it is also equal to 0.25. This is in percentage, this is in decimals, this is in fractions. All the three mean one and the same. So 50% means 50 in 100, 50 by 100. So 50 by 100 means 50 ones are 52s are, that is it by 2. So 1 if you divide it by 2 it is 0.5. So 50% is also equal to 50 by 100. It is also equal to 1 by 2 or 0.5. Okay. This is in percentage. These two are in fractions and this is in decimals. So these are some of the facts in percentage. So 100% means 100 in 100. 100 divided by 100 it is. So 100 ones are 100 ones are. So 1 by 1. So it is 1. So 100% means 100 by 100. So this is fraction 1 by 1. So 100 ones are 100 ones are. So 1 by 1 it is another fraction, or 1 by 1 is 1. So this is in decimal. Okay. So after knowing some important facts, we shall see now some of the conversions. So expressing x% as a fraction. So 20% means 20 by 100. So 20 by 100 is written here. If you cancel numerator here, 20 ones are denominator, it is 5, hence we get 1 by 5. Similarly 30% means 30 by 100. So 30 by 100 we can write as, then 10 threes are 10 tens are, so we get 3 by 10. Similarly 50% means 50 by 100. So 50 by 100 we can take it as 50 by 100. So 50 ones are 52s are, so in fraction it is 1 by 2. Similarly 75% is 75 by 100. So 25 threes are 25 fours are, we get 3 by 4. So this is how, given the percentage, it can be converted to equivalent fraction. Next, expressing x% as floating point number or decimal number. So 20% means 20 by 100, and we have already seen it to be 1 by 5. So 1 divided by 5 if you do, so 1 cannot be divided by 5. So 5 zeros are 0. So 1 minus 0 here 1. So taking point here we take a 0. Then 5 twos are 10, 0, 0. So 1 by 5 is 0.20. So 0.20 or 0.2. Okay. Similarly 30% means 30 by 100. It is equal to 3 by 10. Already we have seen here. 3 if you divide by 10 we get 0.3. So similarly 50% means 50 by 100. So 50 by 100 already we have seen it is 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2 we get 0.5. So the last one 75% means 75 by 100 already we have seen it is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4 if you do you get 0.75. So for x percentage, so 20% means floating point number or decimal number, it is 0.20. This is how any x percent is given. It can be converted to its equivalent decimal number or floating point number. Okay. Conversely, 0.6 means we can also write it as 6 by 10 in the form of fractions. Now equivalent fraction is 60 by 100. So 6 by 10 if you take, both numerator and denominator you multiply by 10, then there will not be any change in the value. We will get equivalent fraction. So 6 tens are 60 divided by 10 tens are 100. So 6 by 10 is also equal to 60 by 100. 60 by 100 means 60 parts in 100 means it is 60%. Similarly, 0.7 is 7 by 10 or 70 by 100. So 70 parts in 100 parts means it is 70%. So this is how this decimal 0.7 is converted to percentage. So decimal 0.7 or floating point number 0.7. The next example 0.5, it is 5 by 10, equivalent is 50 by 100. So 50 parts in 100 means it is 50%. 0.75, so 0.75 is 3 by 4 in the fraction. So if you divide it 3 by 4, we will get the answer 0.75. So 0.75 is also equal to 75 by 100. So 75 by 100 means 75%. 1 means 1 in 1. So 100 by 100. So it is 100%. So 1.0 or 1, it is total of 1. It is 100% of anything. So that is what is converting the given decimal number to its equivalent percentage. Next, x percent of a number means what? Let us take some examples. The first one, 25% of 2000. 25% means 25 upon 100. So this we have written 25 upon 100. Of means multiplied by. So 2000, this is the given number. Okay, 2000 means 2000 upon 1. Now these two are cancelled. 25 into 20 is 500. That is why 25% of 2000 is 500. This is how x percent of a number is calculated. That is 25% of the number 2000 is 500. Similarly, 50% of 2000 means 50 upon 100 is 50%. Of is written as multiplied by the given number is 2000. So 50 upon 100, this of means multiplied by, then 2000 is 2000 divided by 1. These two are gone. Then 50 into 20 is 1000. That is why 50% of 2000 is 1000. Okay. In the third example, 50% of 2 lakh is to be paid. So there is rupees 2 lakh. 50% of it is to be paid means 50% of is multiplied. The number is 2 lakh. So 50 by 100 is 1 by 2 into 2 lakh. So 1 by 2 into 2 lakh is as it is. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So it is 1 lakh. So the answer is 1 lakh. So 50% of 2 lakh is to be paid means rupees 1 lakh is to be paid. Okay. So this is how x percent of a number can be calculated. Next we shall see on increment operation in the topic percentage. If certain value P increases by X percent, then increased value is 100 plus X whole percentage of P. So what is the meaning of this? If rupees 1000 is increased by 25%, what is the final value? So what is the original value? 1000. So 25% of 1000 means 250. So 1000 is increased by 25% means 1000 plus 250. So that is by 1250. So 1000 when increased by 25% it becomes 1250. That is what is this problem all about. So the first one is procedure followed is 25% of 1000. So 25 upon 100 is 25%. Of means multiplied by the number taken is 1000. So the increment is 250. So when 1000 is changed or increased by 250, what is its final value? So 1000 plus 250, that is 1250. 1250 rupees. That is by following the procedure. But by formula, if you take 100 plus X percent of P, 100 plus 25, because the value is going to be increased by 25%. So 100 plus 25 percentage of P. P means 1000. So 100 plus 25 is 125. So percent as it is, off as it is, the number is 1000. So 125% means 125 upon 100. Off means multiplied, the number is 1000. If you simplify this, you get 1250, same as this. Okay. In steps if you solve and using formula if you solve, both the answers are one and the same. So that is what is incrementing a number by some percent. Here 25%. What is increased? 1000 is increased. So 1000 when increased by 25%, it becomes 1250. That is what is this problem is all about. Okay. Next, taking second example, if 25,000 is increased by 50%. So what is 50% of 25,000? It is 50 upon 100 into 25,000. It is 12,500. If you add it to 25,000, it becomes 37,500. Hence, 25,000 when increased by 50%, it becomes 37,500. By formula, 100 plus 50% of 25,000. If you substitute and if you simplify, you will get 37,500. This is by the formula and this is by following the steps involved in the procedure. Okay. Similarly, decrementing a number by some percentage. Then if it is decremented by X percent, that P number, so the resulting number is 100 minus X whole percentage of given number P. For example, if 1000 rupees or the number 1000 is decreased by 25%, so by formula 100 minus 25% of 1000 if you do, so 100 minus 25 is 75. 75% means 75 divided by 100. Off is replaced by multiplication. Given number is 1000. So if you simplify this, you will get 750. By following the steps involved in the procedure, 25% of 1000 means 25 upon 100 into 1000, that is 250. So 1000 is decreased by 250 means 1000 minus 250, that is 750. So both the answers are same here, following the procedure and using the formula. Considering example 2. Suppose rupees 25,000 is decreased by 50%. So 50% of 25,000 means 50 upon 100 into 25,000, that is 12,500. So 25,000 is decremented by 12,500 means it has to be deducted. So the remaining is 12,500. So 25,000 when decreased by 50%, it becomes 12,500. This is as per procedure, following the steps involved in that. Using the formula here, 100 minus 50% of P means 25,000. So 100 minus 50 is 50% of 25,000. 50% means 50 upon 100, of means multiplied by. So 25,000 as it is, if you simplify, you will get 12,500. This answer and this answer both are one and the same. Okay. Now we shall solve some of the exercise problems. In this exercise A, in that first one, so multiple choice questions are given. We have to tick the correct one here. So 56% means question mark. So here 5 by 100, no, it is 56 by 100. 56% means 56 by 100. That is why this is correct. So it cannot be 6 by 100, it cannot be 5 by 100. So 56 by 100 is correct. So the another option is here, when B and D both are correct, when that option is there, so B we have checked. So we'll have to check whether D is also right. So if you take D, 14 by 25 it is given. So 56 by 100 means here if you divide by 4, so here 4 14s are 4 25s are. So that is why this and this both are 56%. So the answer for the first one is both B and D, since 56 by 100 and 14 by 25 both are equal to 56%. Both B and D options are correct. You cannot tick only B, you cannot tick only D, though they are correct. Similarly, in second problem, 1 by 4 fraction is given. So if you take A option, 25 by 100, so 25 ones are 25 fours are, it is 1 by 4. So A option is correct. 1 by 100 means it is 1%. 1 by 100 is the fraction, it is not equal to 1 by 4. This option is not correct. So 25% if you take here, 25% means 25 by 100. Okay. So 25 ones are 25 fours are. This is equal to 1 by 4. So this option is also correct. So A option is also correct. C option is also correct. So far B option is not correct. So D option, if you take 4 by 100 means it is 4%. 4 ones are 425s are. 4 ones are 425s are. If you cancel, it is 1 by 25. It is not equal to 1 by 4. So this option is not correct. Since both option A and C are correct, we have to choose option E. Option E is correct. We cannot choose only A, we cannot choose only C. We have to choose option E because both options A and C are correct. Next, third problem, 75% means it is 75 by 100. So 25 threes are, 25 fours are, it is also equal to 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4, if you do, it is 0.75. So with this background, we shall solve this problem. So 25 by 100 is not correct. 75 by 100 is correct. 3 by 4 is correct. So B and C options are correct. 4 by 100 is not correct. It belongs to 4%. So since both B and C are correct, we have to choose option E, which is correct here. Next, fourth problem, if you take 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, 2 if you divide it by 5, so it is equal to 0.4. Okay. So 2 by 5 is also equal to 0.4. Then 0.4 means it is 40%. In percentage, we have already learned how to convert from percentage to fraction and from percentage to decimal. Then so 2 by 5, so 40 by 100 if you take here, 10 fours are 10 tens are. So 40 by 100 if you choose here, so 10 fours are 10 tens are, further 2 twos are 2 fives are. It is also equal to 2 by 5. So this option is also correct. Then option D is also correct. Then 40%. 0.4 means it is 40%. Then we have to verify this because all is given here. So 20 by 50. If you cancel 0, it is also equal to 2 by 5. So 20 by 50 is also equivalent to 2 by 5. Since all the options are equal to 2 by 5, we have to choose option E. So in the first problem both B and D, in second one both A and C, in third one both B and C, and in fourth one all. These options are correct. Okay. Next we shall solve problem number 5. 0.6%. 0.6 means 0.6 upon 100. So first option is correct. A is given as 0.6 upon 100. B option is not correct because 60 upon 100 means it is 60%, but we are talking about 0.6%. Next we have to check this 6 upon 1000. So 0.6 upon 100, taking this, you shift the decimal to next by one place, then we'll have to add 10 here. So it is equal to 6 by 1000. Or you evaluate 6 by 1000, it will be 0.006, which is equal to 0.6%, that is 0.6 upon 100 is equal to 0.006 only. Hence C option is also correct. So because A and C option are correct, we have to choose option D only. Next problem number 6. 6% means 6 upon 100 is correct. If you add 0 both on numerator and denominator, 60 upon 1000 is also correct. 0.6 upon 100 is not correct because it is 0.6 percentage. So both B and C answer are correct. Only B is not correct. Hence we have to choose option D. Next, taking problem number 7. 28% means 28 upon 100 is correct. It is not equal to 75 by 100, not 3 by 4 or 4 by 100, and this is also not correct. Only 28 by 100, hence option A is correct. So let us leave problem number 8, which is same as 4. This is just the repetition where all option was correct, that is option E. So in this both A and C, B and C here. Next option A and all options. These are the answers. Next solving problem number 9. Here an expression is given that is 2% equal to x by 50 equal to y by 100 equal to z. So in this what is x, y, z we have to find and choose that option out of 4 here. So now 2% means 2 by 100 it is. So 2 ones are 250s are. So 1 by 50. So here x has to be 1. So in option A x is 1. In option C x is 1. Hence option B and D are not correct. They are to be eliminated. Next taking y equal to 2. So 2 upon 100. So here if you fill 2 upon 100. So 2 ones are 250s are, which is same as so 1 by 50 or 2 upon 100 is also equal to 2%. So y equal to 2 is correct. Y equal to 20 is not correct. So option C is also to be eliminated, which is the only remaining correct one now, A. We'll verify Z value. So Z given is 0.02 here. So 0.02. So 2% means 2 upon 100. 2 if you divide by 100, we get 0.02 only. Hence, so the first option A, that is found to be correct. So the next problem to be solved is problem number 10. In that 0.2% is given. So 0.2% means 0.2 upon 100. Right? So here x upon 500 is given. So x upon 500 means if you simplify here 2 ones are 2 50s are. And if you shift this by one decimal place and add 1 0 here, it is 1 by 500. Then x will be found out to be 1. So in option A x is 1, in option C x is 1. So B and D options are to be eliminated. Now considering option A and C, y equal to 2 is given in A. So y equal to 2, if you fill, it is 2 upon 1000. So 2 upon 1000, if you take up here, it is equal to 0.002, and 0.2% if you take, it is 0.2 upon 100. If you evaluate, this also comes out to be 0.002. Hence y equal to 2 is correct, y equal to 20 is not correct. So now option C also has to be eliminated. In the first place B and D were eliminated. Now C is eliminated. So the remaining only one, x equal to 1, y equal to 2 is found to be correct. Hence option A is correct. For z equal to 0.002, we'll have to verify. Already verified here. The evaluation comes out to be 0.002. So for 10th problem, option A is correct. That completes the solution of exercise A. And this is the problem given for self-work. Means for self-assessment, you can solve this and verify the answer for the answer and put it into the comment box. Okay. That completes the discussion till exercise A. The remaining exercises I will cover in the next part, that is percentage part 2. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.